Are you ready to make the leap from WordPress to Ghost? Whether you're looking for better performance, more control over your content, or a sleek, minimalist platform, migrating to Ghost is easier than you think. I suggest to watch this video if you don't know about Ghost. It will explain how to self-host this amazing WordPress alternative. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to smoothly move all your posts, pages, and content from WordPress to Ghost in just a few clicks. Stay tuned. This is the migration you don't want to miss. Step 1. Export WordPress contents. First, let's get started by setting up everything you need for a seamless migration. Make sure you're logged into your WordPress site and have access to your Ghost admin panel. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Tools, then Export. Here you can select the Export Contents. Once you're in, select All Content and hit Download Export File. This will download an XML file or JSON with all your posts, pages, comments, and more. If you've got a lot of content, this may take a minute. No worries, the file is small enough to handle with ease. Step 2. Upload XML file to Ghost. Next, head over to your Ghost admin panel. You'll find the WordPress Migrator tool under Settings, Advanced, Import, Export. It's super easy to find, and that's where the magic happens. Now that you've got your XML file, head back to the Ghost Migrator window and click or drag the file here to upload. Once the file is uploaded, hit Continue. Ghost will take a moment to analyze your content, and soon you'll see a confirmation showing the number of posts and pages ready to be imported. If everything looks good, just click Import Content. And voila, your content will be migrated in no time. After a brief moment, you'll see a confirmation message telling you that your data has been successfully migrated. Step 3. Image migration. Now, let's talk about a few important things to keep in mind during the migration process. First, images. Sometimes they don't transfer automatically with the XML file. You might need to manually upload them to your Ghost server. If you're dealing with complex posts, like those with custom HTML or plugins, a little bit of manual cleanup might be necessary. For images, you can use an SFTP client or plugins like Updraft Plus to backup and restore your media files. Migrate to Ghost today and experience the difference. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop any questions you have about the migration process in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy migrating!